Namaste.
I, Vihan Agarwal.
I, Kiansh Agarwal.
We are of Team Technotrons.
We have made the project Bioplastic, a leap towards a healthy India. We observe that many people are throwing plastic into the drains which is causing blockage, and it is increasing the amount of waste also. Some vendors serve their food in plastic utensils or paper cups. Paper cups, as they have a plastic coating to make it hydrophobic, which dissolves the plastic particles into the food item, and the health of the person eating that food is ruined.
We also observed that many shopkeepers in India give their products in plastic or polythene bags, which in turn people, instead of reusing it, they throw it, which increase the amount of waste and decreases the quality of waste management in our country. According to us, this is the biggest problem of our country. So we came up with the idea of bioplastic, a leap towards healthy India.
Solution: drain blockage. It is soluble in water and can dissolve in drains. Health: as it is edible and after use can be eaten. It helps in waste management also. It is made up of eco-friendly materials and is also decomposable. Pollution: dissolves in water and we also can't burn it as it is made up of water. It also does not produce toxic chemicals while manufacturing.
After making the bioplastic, we observed that it is soluble in water and can dissolve in water. It also decomposes in soil after a few days. As you can see,
It can be seen here.
we also thought of adding seeds to it so that whenever it is thrown on any plant and watered, it can grow.
Case study. We did a survey and found that many organisms are getting infected with the disease because of the plastic pollution, as they can't manage plastic waste management correctly. We also found that many street animals eat plastic and are getting infected to diseases. Plastic is also causing harm to the marine life. Sometimes the product we use of these animals also get infected.
Implementation challenges. While implementing this bioplastic in our country, we have to face some challenges like educating the mass, production of the plastic, it should be cost effective, and availability of the materials of making it.
Material used in manufacturing: 8 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of edible glycerine, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of starch.
Making process. We have to make a mixture of the following materials in proper ratios. Then we have to start heating it, and when it will become semi-solid paste like this consistency, we have to leave it for drying on a silicone mat or on an aluminum foil. After some time, it will dehydrate and our bioplastic will be ready like this.
This is our bioplastic.
Which we have made at the home.
Failure. When we were making our first prototype, we did not understand the ratios correctly and the bioplastic became like gel. Then we watched a video just for reference, and in the second try we reduced the amount of vinegar thinking that it will make it more durable, but it got more worse. After that we understood the proper ratios and tried making the bioplastic, which was at least successful.
Future plans. Our future plan for our bioplastic is to add seeds to it so that whenever it is watered on soil, it can grow into a plant. And also we have thought to add flavors to it as it is edible.
Thank you.